the very reason for clubbing UPS and solar is because most of the UPS people are now turning into solar. And they are complementing each other very well. It will be only fair on my part if I start this speech, whatever you can say, by thanking our event sponsors, Excite, co-sponsors HHV Solar, knowledge partners for solar, Swelect, knowledge partners for uninterrupted pure power, numeric, and our recreational partners, Power One and Texture. I would also like to thank Switching Avio for sharing their service techniques with audience, and AVA Solar who have chosen our platform to launch their product. This is something which is we are doing it for the first time, and I will just go through it and then we will discuss it next year how it goes. Right. I would also like to take an opportunity to all the companies who have supported me through advertisements, standees, etc. Without all this support, it wouldn't have been possible for me to have even conducted a program, even a smaller program than this, if I have not been getting regular support from all of you. So big round of applause for all of you, please. Give yourself a big round of applause. I'm not getting that claps. And one morning, I've seen quite a few people who have removed their garlands. Narayan Sabai showed you how important it is. Every flower in the garment represents a flower. If you are removing it, if you are putting it aside, that means you are putting your company aside, you are removing the garland. At least in the function duration, you should be wearing it. You can remove it in your car when you go out or when you take food. That liberty I give you. Softdisk is completing 26 years, and of these 26 years, we have done 24 surveys on UPSs, and this is the 11th time we are celebrating it as UPS Come Solar Day. Earlier it used to be a UPS Day. It all started in Chennai. I don't have to repeat all the stories once again. And we moved from destination to destination. Finally, for the last 5-6 years, we have settled in Bangalore. The reason being the connectivity, reason being Andy. He organizes, it takes off a lot of pressure off me so that I don't have to run here and there and get things organized. I'm truly humbled for the support I have been receiving from you all people, especially who have missed important gatherings, family gatherings, team gatherings and all, and come here to shower their love on me. I am humbled. Truly I am humbled. Friends, 2015-16 was a dull year. 16-17 is turning out to be a better year. It's not that we do one analysis and then finally laid out. It's not like that. We have been working, we always work round the clock. Every month we have a report in our hands that how much growth is happening, who is selling what, how much is sold, how much is not sold, how much movement is there. And when we see from April onwards, month-to-month comparison, the last year in 15-16 April, what you have done, 16-17 April, you have done much better. Similar, you will all agree, I believe. Similarly, it happened like in May, June, July, every year, the corresponding year, in this year, we have done better. Maybe the margins is an issue, but the orders are you have got is better than what you have used to get. You got in 15-16. Do you agree to this or not? Stunned silence. Why? Why stunned silence? Just give me a yell so that I can know that you are not. Say yes or no, something. Pardon, Sumant, I am getting your voice. Please speak out loudly.
Sir, who has got it? Ask them to lift their hands.
Who has? I am not getting your voice. Just take the mic there.
No, it's 50-50.
Well, for them it is 50-50. Means some profit as you have gained, hai na? Yeah, he agreed.
Sir, I just wanted to tell you, whoever has done better, I'd like them to lift their hands. We'll all cheer for them.
It is pitch dark there, and nobody is going to lift for your chairs.
All of us will cheer for them, sir.
Are you ready to pay that company some exemplary amount of money? Then they will all lift. Well, anyway, you don't want to disclose your things early, so it is up to you. I am not forcing you. Next, I will get the data somehow. But whatever data I am getting, I am speaking on that. But November post demonetization, I don't even call it demonetization. I will call it cessation of 500 and 1000 rupees notes. There is some problem which will take time on its own to reconcile itself with the existing new system that we are being forced to enter in. But that has done a lot of good for the country. There is no stone pelting in Kashmir. There is so many Naxalites are surrendering. Their arms are being caught. I am a nationalist, so I am speaking all these things. So it is far better than suffer for few months, 6 months, 5 months. Modi ji says 50 days. I will say you suffer for 5 months. But after 5 months, if you are able to live happily, then you should appreciate the move. So I am happy. I also suffered. But anyway, things have gone down a bit. November was not good for many, almost every company. And December is also not going that well. Still, it is not picked up. Between all this, what is happening is India is passing through its biggest tax reform since 1994, when service tax was introduced. This time it is GST which is going to be introduced. I don't know how people will take it because it is not yet fully known to people also. But one thing is there, GST is a far simpler form of tax. Taxation. GST actually is basically gives you a lot of things, like tax evaluation becomes easier, tax collection becomes more. I'm not able to give you right words for it. Reform in the Indian tax, indirect tax system. It's a destination-oriented, consumption-based tax, and most importantly, it encompasses tax. It will increase the tax computation, tax payment, tax compliance, credit utilization. Credits of input are paid at each stage will be available at the subsequent stage of value addition. That is the most important point in GST. Initially, people will find it difficult because it's a new thing. You will have to go to your chartered accountants, get things sorted, get proper softwares, things like that. But ultimately, everything will be very smooth. So a big round of applause for that also, that we should have faith that it should come up. Soft Disk has always had faith in faith. And the most important of all is the input tax credit. Input tax credit is the credit, the input cost of the, basically the end user will be benefited. Idea is that at a particular stage of manufacturing, you have paid certain taxes. In the subsequent stage, that tax can be credited. You can take the credit of that tax paid. That means you are only paying tax for the value addition. This goes on, and finally when it reaches the customer, he only pays tax on the value addition. It's done on the product. So it's a far simpler form of tax. There are so many things which are yet to be finalized, so not much can be said about it at this point of time, but it is definitely welcome. I think you all will agree that GST will be a good thing for our industry. Do you?
Yes.
This is again a very big day for Softdisk. We are completing 26 years now as a magazine. So I request you all to give Softdisk a standing ovation for, not standing ovation, just a big round of applause for completing 25 years successfully and now completing the 26th year also. This may be the 24th award ceremony. Next year we will do it in a better way and try to, whatever the shortcomings that are visible here, that we will try to address and try to come up with a better function next year, because that will be the 25th SD Awards. And 25 is something which everybody cherishes, I believe. I always wanted that this day should not be a day of Softdisk. This day should not be a UPS People's Day. This day should become UPS and Solar Day. Initially, I wanted it as a UPS Day, to be frank. When I added up solar, I wanted it to become a UPS cum Solar Day. And not as an event of Softdisk. I always wanted that it should become an event of you people. Whether I am there or not, it should continue in this fashion and you should take it forward. The whole idea is that as people celebrate Valentine's Day, as people celebrate Father's Day, Mother's Day, this day, that day, this solar and UPS are our bread and butter. We should celebrate this occasion. We should forget all the differences, not hide anything, come out open, and then celebrate together. Hindi mein there is a kahavat, band mutti laak ki, khul gayi to khak ki. I don't know how many Hindi knowing people are here. Well, I believe quite a few don't want to disclose things right now here, but ultimately you disclose it when it comes to, when I come with for the data for you. But I have, this year I have got lot of people answering, lot of SMSs as compared to last few years. You can say that I got more than 100 messages, either through emails, messages on WhatsApp and everything. So that's a good achievement. For me it is a big achievement because I've been able to inculcate in people that UPS is their day, not my day. But they have been congratulating me. I don't want to congratulate me. I want to congratulate yourself. And you should congratulate your customers for using your UPSs, using your solar panels, etc., etc.